Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Do mention in the comment section below. Check the description box for the ingredient list. In our busy day-to-day life, if cooking was to take a few hours, it would become a tiresome job and we will never want to try out new recipes. Today, let's make a yummy mango jam without adding any chemical preservatives. This can be made in 15 minutes without having to keep stirring for long, and there is no spluttering while cooking also. I have taken the pulp of 3 medium-sized ripe mangoes. The pulp is around 600 grams. 2 pieces of apple peeled and cut into pieces. This is for the pectin content, which gives a nice glaze to the jam. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, quarter cup of water, 80 grams or little less than half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of butter for the glaze. You can see I have not switched on the stove. In my 3-liter pressure cooker, I add quarter cup of water. On top of it, add the mango pulp. If your mangoes are firm, you can peel and chop them. I am not blending because I wanted to have some texture in the jam. Next, add the apple pieces, followed by the sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This will give a nice taste and prevent the sugar from crystallizing. Place the butter on top. Close. Switch on the stove and cook for 7 whistles on high. 7 whistles done. Release pressure and mash with a ladle. On cooling, it will thicken further. Always use a clean dry spoon like you use for a pickle. It can be stored for 10 to 12 days in the refrigerator. As we have not used any preservative or chemical additives, we will have to refrigerate it. The color of the natural fruit is preserved by this closed cooking. The whole process of cooking just took only 10 minutes. This yielded around 550 grams of jam. You can see how it spreads easily, and the small chunks of mango add to the beautiful texture and taste. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Your feedback and comments are important to us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.